Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Nubia RedMagic 11R, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. Alright, so let's begin with localizing the gear icon and tapping on it so we can enter the settings. Right here we are in this list, and all I recommend to do here is to swipe your finger aggressively from the bottom to the top to scroll all the way down and find this arrow option, which is the system basically. Then let's tap on the second option, which is language and region, and then tap on the first option at the very top. And now here we've got the list of all, let's say, currently added languages, something like that. And if you can see your language here, and there is a possibility that you will have it here if you've accidentally changed the system language, and then all you have to do is to tap on your language and hold it and then drag it to the very first position. So simply reorder the languages. So tap on it and hold it and then drag it to the first position. And then release the finger, and here tap on this option on the right, which is change basically. And as you can see, the English language in my case was immediately applied to the list. And what if you cannot find the language? No worries, just tap on this plus icon here to tap on add a language. And now we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply scroll, find yours and tap on it. You can also choose the keyboard, not the keyboard, but the specific region. So just tap on the one you'd like to use. And as you can see, our language will be added at the bottom of the list. So it will not change immediately. So again, you have to tap on it and hold it and then drag it to the first position. Tap on this right option and your device will apply the new language. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.